we are trying to figure out if the slope of K is less than slope of L. Look at clue 1. X-intercept of K is positive. So that means this is the x-axis. That means your K might look like that. X-intercept, or it might look like this. They still have positive x-intercepts, but they're two different directions, and we're only talking about line K. It doesn't tell me anything about line L. Is that right? Oh, no, it does tell me that. And it says x-intercept of line L is negative. X-intercept of line L is negative. Well, once again, it could be like this, or it could be like that, because they're both negative. Now, this is L's, and these are the K lines. Well, we don't know which is which. Trying to figure out if the slope of K is less. So this line has got negative slope, and that line has got positive slope. If we knew we had those two lines, we'd say, yeah, K slope is less than L slope.